When it comes to supporting early childhood programs, First Things First needs sustainable funding to maintain a lasting impact on Arizona. For almost 20 years, First Things First investments have created a substantial impact for the state of Arizona, benefiting many families and employers. We must be clear about the road ahead. First Things First's annual revenues have decreased by nearly 40%, more than $63 million a year when compared to the level of funding when we began operations 20 years ago. That reality places core services such as home visitation, developmental screenings, and quality early care and education in jeopardy. Through those services and investments, 2,800 full-time jobs are supported every year. More than $323 million is generated in economic output yearly. Additionally, an estimated $8.5 million was collected for the state general fund, as well as $9.7 million in local tax revenues generated annually as a result of First Things First supported activities. We need your support as funding for early childhood programs is at risk. The state's tobacco revenues, which fund First Things First, are rapidly declining. That's why it's crucial to secure sustainable funding sources, such as closing the tobacco tax loophole to also include vapor and nicotine products for early childhood programs and services. For the last 20 years, vape and nicotine products have not contributed to the early childhood system like voters intended. I urge you to speak to your elected officials about the importance of early care and education for our children's future and Arizona's future. Please look for ways to take action at firstThingsFirst.org/advocate.